Three.
Good morning, welcome back everybody. It's a Friday and we know the new year is all about fresh starts, and that includes what's on our plates. Today we're going to show you simple, realistic food swaps that make everyday meals more nourishing without sacrificing flavor. We promise you, joining us today is nutritionist, corporate wellness educator Jessie Lane Lee to share her favorites. It is so good to see you. I'm going to say it again. Happy New Year, Jessie Lane Lee. It makes us feel good.
It's
So
okay
much
to say
food.
it, we're going to say it anyways, right?
Yes. You have delicious, healthy swaps that we can all make today to make a difference that are satiating. So we're beginning with salad dressing. How come?
So when we buy store-bought salad dressing, often there's hydrogenated oils in there that are highly inflammatory, and there's a lot of sugar. Like, surprisingly, read the label next time. You'll be shocked. So we're going to make our own.
And a lot of things we can't pronounce.
Yeah, which we never want. So I have apple cider vinegar in there.
Easy start, readily available item everywhere.
So easy to find. And then olive oil. I like to do about like a 1-to-1, maybe a little bit more. You can kind of
A little more
eyeball
olive
it.
oil.
Yeah,
Okay.
we love our olive oil. Next time I like to add something a little spicy. So sometimes it's garlic. Today I'm doing grainy Dijon mustard. So you can scoop all of that into
Nice.
there. I find that like having a bit of a kick in my salad dressing, it just makes it a little special.
Tang, a little
Tang,
something that livens up the palate.
That's right. But then we need a balance between this. So I said we're worried about the sugar in store-bought.
Yes.
Today we're going to add a little bit of honey. That's perfect.
So just the one,
Yeah.
half teaspoon.
Half teaspoon.
Or
You can add
tablespoon.
more if you like a lot of sweetness. But with honey, at least we're getting antibacterial, antimicrobial, antiviral properties. And this is really nice local Ontario honey.
Beautiful.
So love it.
So salt
Salt
and
and
pepper makes everything
It
better.
does. And this is it. So see how fast this is to make it on your own?
Yeah.
We don't need to buy it. We can just make it with stuff we probably already have in our fridge.
How long would this last in your fridge, Jess?
I would say about 5 days.
Well,
We don't want to
that's
let it go too long. I don't know. It's one of those things. I find in my house it goes by. I use it.
quickly.
But one thing I will say is in the fridge, the olive oil will start to harden, so you have to soften it up. I like to do a bowl with warm water and then stick my dressing in it maybe like 10 minutes.
Smart. Okay, but like you said, you'll go through it or don't make as much, right?
Yeah, exactly. This is
Yeah.
a pretty big one because we bought a lot of salad to feed all of the crew today.
Oh, you're the best. They'll appreciate that. This is nice and healthy, nutritious, and delicious. Oh, that smells lovely. Now, croutons. You say they
That's right.
can be a little bit of a guilty pleasure as
Yes.
well for a salad.
Yes. So my swap today is crispy chickpeas. These are one of my favorite swaps. They're great for a snack. You can just snack on them. They're so crunchy, so delicious. But why I love them instead of a crouton is that they do have some fiber, they have proteins, healthy fats because we toasted them in oil. So it is a really nice alternative to a crouton or just a crunchy snack.
So you can just drain a can of chickpeas,
Yep.
right?
Drain a
And
can of
then-
chickpeas, put them in the oven for like 20, 30 minutes, depends on how dry they are. And they crisp right up. A little
And
bit
then
of
just
oil,
throw it
salt.
on?
Throw it right on.
Crunchy munchy.
Crunchy munchies. So
Oh, and you get your protein, your fiber. That's fantastic.
good. Yeah.
Up next, we are heading to
Chia pudding.
chia pudding in a jam.
Yes.
A jam?
Or chia jam.
Yes.
If you're a jam person,
I am.
another thing that tends to have quite a bit of sugar in it.
You're right.
If we make our own with chia seeds, not only do we get all the delicious fresh flavors of the chia seeds, add a lot of fiber, and we can control the sweetness. So again, I've used local honey here.
Yeah, tell me how to make it.
Yeah, it's really easy. You just blend up your favorite fruit like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, whatever you like with chia seeds, a little bit of honey for sweetness, and that's all you need.
That's it?
That's it. It's so easy.
It's yummy. How long does that last in the jar, Jess?
Well, again, so
In the fridge.
4 or 5 days. I put a bit of lemon juice sometimes to make it last longer, but we go through it so quickly. If your kids like maybe a sunflower seed butter and jam sandwich at school, but just make peanut butter, this is a really nice option.
The only thing is I would want to put a spoon in that and eat it as a
Well, that's why I
as
called
a-
it
as a-
chia pudding.
yeah,
So
honestly,
you're good.
it's that delicious. Okay, now let's head over to snacks.
Yeah.
People were just mentioning what to watch this weekend. You love something crunchy to go with it. Chips are fantastic. They're delicious, but
You know they're not the best for us, right?
I know.
So what I like instead is an air popped popcorn, or if you do it on the stove, not the microwave popcorn. It is so great. There's fiber here. It is such a nice snack, really nice while you're watching TV. But if you want to jazz it up a little bit,
Yeah.
one of my favorite things to do is to add nutritional yeast. So I'll let you sprinkle that on top.
Guys, I have been addicted to this stuff for, I don't know, over 10 years.
It's
It
good.
looks like, I get it, it looks like fish food.
It does.
But it is so cheesy delicious. Look at this. It tastes like cheese.
It really does. It's a great Parmesan substitute too, so putting it on your salads or pastas, anywhere you use Parmesan. Why I love it, Dina, it's a really great source of B vitamins, and
Yes.
it adds such a good kind of like zesty, cheesy flavor to everything.
Some are infused with little like B12. They have iron in it because a long time it was low in iron. Guys, you could can it.
Yeah, go
You can
for
put it on salads, on soups. You can literally put this stuff on anything, and it gives it that cheesy deliciousness. I'm all about nutritional yeast.
Highly
I think it's one of the unsung beautiful.
Yeah, in
power
eggs, it's
flavor
really good on like
packs.
a scrambled egg.
That would be good.
Yeah.
Where do we get all of these recipes and more for free?
Yes, if you go to my website, jessielanewellness.com, I've got a free meal planning template for you. It's going to help you incorporate all of these into your day-to-day, and you will also get an email with all of these recipes so you can make them all at home. They're all so quick and easy. A really great thing to start with if you've maybe fallen off your New Year's goals.
Yeah.
We're at that point 2 weeks in.
It's
This will
hard.
get you back on track.
Jess, you're the best. Thank you. Guys, you ready to eat?
I
Just
know.
gonna
There's
get
salad
this
for
all
everyone.
going, and we're all eating well today. Thanks, Jess.
You're
We'll be
welcome.
back with more BT coming up next. We're diving into the emotional roller coaster that happens between Sunday night and Monday morning. I don't know if you get it, Jess, the Sunday
Yes.
scaries. Tips on how to break that cycle and build a healthier relationship with the week ahead.
So easy.
Okay, all camps go to soft sex.
Thank
3
you,
minutes,
Sam.
2.5 actually.
I know, I said the wrong thing. You said
But honestly, Mother, we eat that whole
Well,
thing.
you can.
Well, let's go down quick.
Yeah.
All right.
3, 2, 1. Thank you. Now, the only thing I would say, I told Jess, you have to put olive oil, which I'll do
Yes,
for you
it'll
guys.
stick better, yeah.
So that when you put the olive oil on first, the nutritional yeast sticks better. Now try one of these. Hold on. Now try with the olive oil. Try now. Hold on.
Good.
Now wait, wait,
Yes, we need salt.
Now we're sipping with gas. Oh
Dina
yeah!
There you
doesn't
go.
laugh. We've got it.
Oh yeah!
Okay.
Katie, get it!
Yeah, you gotta have the salt.
You gotta have the salt.
Yeah, everything I use it with, I pair with salt.
Yeah,
It's so good.
it's so good.
Right? Are they cute?